Hello and welcome to Prism Prints, a channel dedicated to VR sculpting, 3D printing, and miniature painting. I'm Ben, and for this project, I'm making my take on a mage from the game Valheim. This idea came from a suggestion in the comments section, and I thought it would be fun to try something new. In the game, the first set of mage robes you're able to craft is called the Eitr-weave set. They're a nice take on a classic mage silhouette, mixing bright red fabric with leather and iron. The set also features a feather cape with a teal sheen that protects from both cold and fall damage. Finally, your first staff in-game will likely be the Staff of Embers. Crafted using cirtling cores and the wood from Yggdrasil itself, the Staff of Embers allows the player to hurl fireballs at their enemies. I feel like the first iteration on mage gameplay in Valheim made such a splash, and this set is by far one of my favorites. I also had the idea to make more of the staves so they can be switched out, but you'll have to let me know if that's something you all would be interested in. As far as more armor sets, I know I'd like to make my take on the Fenris and Root sets, but if there are any others you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments. If you would like to print this for yourself, it is free to download at any of the links in the pinned comment. I love seeing pictures of the finished prints that you all post, and I want to give a big thank you for taking the time to post them. If you would ever like to have your Prism Prints makes featured in one of my videos, just add OK to post in the description of your make. I check all of my STL sites daily, so I'll be sure to see it. Lastly, I have a 35% off Shapelab promo code on the screen that works for PC VR and Meta users if you are interested in trying it out for yourself. This info is also in the description. I'm really proud of how this Eitr-weave mage turned out, and I hope you all enjoy it too. If you'd like to show support for my work, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I've got a lot of fun project ideas planned for the year, and I'm excited to get to share them with you all. Thank you so much for checking this video out. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one.